What's up, YouTube? What's up, everyone? Super excited to be in this video as the first video of the year 2025 for me, and I'm so happy to be back. Yes, a lot of you know that I went for my National Youth Service Corps as for good 1 year, so I've really not been trading or doing my YouTube content here because it is actually a lot, traveling from Lagos to Delta State. If those that is in Nigeria, because I'm a Nigerian Forex Trader, it's been a lot, you understand? So, but I'm back and I'm happy that everything went successful. I'm now having my NYC certificate. It was actually really a big roller coaster, but I'm back now for my journey as a Forex trader and also my journey as a YouTuber to document my journey as a developing Forex trader in Nigeria. I'm so happy to be back, and nevertheless, if you're new to this channel, what basically this channel is all about is I document my journey in becoming a profitable trader. So if it's something you will like and you're interested in, click the like button of this video in order to help for the YouTube algorithm to reach out to other Forex traders that also want to see through journey of being profitable trader. And also subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification in order for you to get first notification when I post new content, like, because now it is content like all the content, it is actually my journey and my documentation in the Forex space. I'm back and I'm active. I'm really, really active. I'm so happy for those that have been subscribing to my channel even while I was away. And I know also my Telegram channel has been quiet, but now it will be active because while I wasn't trading, I was also creating my strategy, that because the one I was using wasn't giving me a good win rate and it was just really bad. So I had to improve, which I've gotten one, which I'll be unveiling to everyone here in the space. Do you understand? So what I want you to do for me is to do subscribe, turn on push notification, like this video, share this video in order to reach out to the other Forex trader. Without wasting much of your time, I want to tell you how it's going to be right now. Do you understand? But first thing, after backtesting this my strategy, I don't want to say the name now, but you'll see it. You understand? So I have a 78.43% win rate. Do you understand? After the backtesting, but I know that when I start trading live trading, the win rate might actually a little bit reduced to 60 or 50 thereabout, because now the human factor will come in place in terms of lack of patience, this indiscipline, and some little errors. But this is what I need to do, control, which I am willing to do. Control. Do you understand? So I think there should be difference in my trading right now. Do you understand? So I'm going to share my journey here. Do you understand? I'm going to share my journey. So how I'll be going first, I want to actually start with a funded next free trial account or an FTMO free trial account, whichever. But before I open the account, I'll be taking us through on how I'm going to open the account. But the one I know I'm going to be using is the funded next, because you OGs know that I've been using funded next Profem. Do you understand? I've been using funded next Profem. So I'll be using the Profem to do this free trial to share my journey before getting a Profem account, because definitely I'm getting my Profem account soon. But I want to go through this strategy first, live trading it with the free funded next free trial. If I pass the trial, I do it again, then I'll get my Profem account. So if it's something you're interested, please do subscribe. And
hi guys, super excited to be on the chat. Like I told you guys that I'll be live testing my new strategy, which you can see on my screen, Nigerian FX Trading CRT model live testing. So in order for me to live test this strategy, do you understand, I said I'm going to open a funded next free trial account and use that to live test the strategy, and also kind of learn to be disciplined and patient and a lot of that, so that I will, because I'm actually moving on the edge of going to be profitable. Do you understand? So before I get a new account with funded next, you understand? So without wasting much of the time, the OG knows that I trade only the EURUSD. So basically what I trade is EURUSD, and I'm going to show you guys the trade I took this week. Do you understand? And I won't be going on trading view because I have every trade on my Notion backtesting journal. You can see here. So this is the live testing journal, do you understand, to show you the trades I took and till I pass this free trial, if I am able to pass, because this free trial is just 2 weeks 14 days, so I might not be able to pass it before that, I might be able to pass it before then, whichever. Or if I don't pass it, I'll open another one. The sole aim is just for me to live test this with the live market and also build my confidence in it, and also build my patience and all of that, do you understand, before I now get the Profem account. So I'm going to show you the trades I took this week. I don't want this video to be much, so I might not explain every trade. I might just take 2 or 3 trades and explain, and the other ones I'll just show you the result. Hope you understand. So maybe next week or next 2 weeks, anytime I have chance, I will make a video on how this my Notion backtesting tool is very, 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 very good, and very much have a lot of information to help you as a trader. So I'll be going to my trading journal. You can see how it is. I'll be going to my trading journal, which is here. So this is my trading journal. You can see the account balance, $6,000 of the funded next free trial account. Do you understand? You can see that I took a total of 8 trades for this week. I'm going to explain why I took 8 trades and which I'm not supposed to take 8 trades. Do you understand? That is where the factor of monitoring monitoring the factor, the human factor, so that I can be able to trade like a robot. That is the sole aim. Do you understand? So remember, I told you that this strategy has a 78.43 win rate after back testing. So what I'm doing now is live testing it. Hope you understand. So now the first trade I took for this account was on the 18th of February 2025. So if I'm to open it, so I can give you a breakdown on the trades. Do you understand? I don't want this video to be long, so I'll just explain 2 or 3 trades, and the rest will be showing you result on it. So now I bought the EURUSD, and you can see the outcome was a win trade, which is I go for 1:3, which you can see here, 3R. I risked $30 to gain $90, which was a pro trend, which is I was in line with the trend. So what basically I do with my factor and my model, what basically I do, I mostly don't go on a weekly time frame, but most time I go on a weekly time frame. So in this case, I went on my weekly time frame, and you can see what I wrote. The general trend is bearish, but price is currently in a weekly FVG, and it's reacting positively, which the previous weekly candle closed strong bullish. Therefore I have a bullish bias for the week. So if I'm to show you this, look at what I meant. Look at the FVG. Price came in and is reacting positively, reacting bullishly. Do you understand? So I was interested in bullish opportunity. So guys, and then I went to my daily time frame. I just want you to understand the alignment of each trade, of each time frame. This is how I break down my own CRT, how I back tested, and how I trade it. So on the daily time frame, I looked at the structure there. You can see daily structure bullish, which is in line with the weekly direction. So I waited for price to tap into unmitigated FVG, so I can look for my HCRT model on lower time frame. So if I'm to enlarge this image, you can see here that I was waiting for price to come into this unmitigated FVG, daily FVG, before I can now start looking for buying opportunity. So then I go on and you can see how bullish the daily time frame looks like. Do you understand? So I went on my 4-hour time frame, and exactly as I anticipated, price tapping into the daily FVG. What am I looking for? I'm looking for my HCRT model. So you can see there that the black candle, which is my selling candle, you can see, which is the 5 a.m. candle, New York time. So I marked out the low and the high, which signifies the candle daily range for me. So that is the range. So I waited for the next candle, which is 9 a.m. to purge the low of the previous candle, which is the 5 a.m. candle. So upon seeing that this 9 a.m. purged this 5 a.m. candle, upon seeing that, then I went to my one hour time frame. Then what do I see? I saw that the market has punched that low and closed back into the range of the 4-hour candle range. Do you understand? The 1 hour has punched it and closed back, so that has given me a a reason to actually go bullish. So straight up, I make my entries on 15 minutes time frame. This is the advanced this is advanced CRT based on my rule. It is the advanced entry mode. It is not meant for beginners. It is the advanced, the way I backtest, the way I trade it. So I went on my 15-minute time frame to wait for change of state of delivery of price, and you can see that is what actually happened here. Upon seeing the change of state of delivery of price came back to my entry, to my limit, and pick me in, and smashed my TP with 1:3. So I'm going to show you that yes, I took this trade. You will see the live execution here. You can see that this is the live execution, guys. This is the live execution that I took this trade. This is a video that I took this trade. You can see that. Let me replay it again. You can see my MT5 trading. You can see, so I took the trade, and look at the result. It is $98, which is 1:3. So that is that for the first trade. The first trade I won my first trade. So if I'm to go back to the second trade that I took, so like I told you, I don't want this video to be much, so I might not actually explain every trade, but it is the same thing that repeatedly, same thing. You can see that the second trade is a loss for me, like you can see here, is a loss. So if I'm to explain that, let me widen it. If I'm to explain that, the reason why I shot the EURUSD on the 19th of 2025, February 2025, you can see. So I just want you to see something on the daily time frame. You understand? Like I said here, as shown in the image, Tuesday daily low, Tuesday daily candle closed below the low of the Friday daily candle. Therefore, I waited for the Wednesday candle to return back to the 50% fib level of the previous candle in order to look for selling opportunity on the lower time frame. Look at what I meant. You can see how this candle closed below this previous candle. So I expected that the next candle will be bearish for the meantime. So what did I do? I used my fib level to mark the high of this candle to the low, and waited for price to come back at least 50% of that candle before looking for selling opportunity. And you can see what the market did. It came back to tap the green side is the 50%. You can see market came back and tapped, and sold as expected. So let me tell you how I entered the trade. So coming on this is the 4-hour time frame. So I marked out the key level. There's a key level around that 50% of the daily time frame. So what do? I mark out the high and the low of my 21 o'clock p.m. candle. Do you understand? Of the range, the high and the range, and I waited for the 1 a.m. New York time candle to purge the high. Since I'm looking for selling opportunity, I needed to purge the high around this specific time. Either 1 a.m., 5 a.m., 9 a.m. Do you understand? Either of these 3 times. So you can see this happen around 1 a.m. So upon seeing that, I went to my 1-hour time frame. You can see that it is the same scenario. I went to my 1-hour time frame to do the same thing. Do you understand? I waited for 1-hour candle to close bearish. I don't know network. You can see here the 1-hour candle purged this high and closed bearish. So it has given me a signal of selling opportunity. Straight up, I went on my 15-minute time frame, but in this case I missed the 15-minute entry. If I show you the image here, you see that I wrote missed entry. I was on my phone about to set the order, and you can see the market just tapped in and went straight. So it couldn't tap me in because I was late already. So the market didn't tap me in. So I waited patiently. I went to 3-minute time frame to now look for another opportunity. So I saw this opportunity. I saw a change of state of price delivery around here. I set my order, but in this case, on the trading view, the trade did not hit stop loss, but on my broker, the funded next, it hit stop loss. I don't know why. Maybe due to pips difference, so it hit stop loss. That was what caused this first loss. The second loss, rather, that was what caused this loss. Everything was aligned, but on trading view, it did not stop. It wasn't a stop out. It was a win, but whichever. So that was a loss for me. So I had to consider it as a loss. So it was on the 3rd trade. So after seeing that, I had to now re-enter again. So which is this 3rd trade. I had to re-enter, which now smashed my TP. So the same thing, the same scenario happened for other trades that I took. So in total, I took 8 trades, and what the 8 trades I lost 6 of them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2. I wasn't supposed to lose 6 of them. I want to show you something. On Friday, which is on the 21, my rule is taking 2 trades per day. So in this case, on Friday, I took 3 trades, which I have gone against my rule. That is the thing. This is the factors I want to cut. I don't want to be doing those things. Do you understand? So which resulted to 3 losses in a row. So that is that, guys. And I don't know. I'm currently back to what? I'm currently back to my initial balance of my account. You can see, which is $6,000. I'm back to my account, but on my MT5 it is 5,995 because of the commission. So, but normal, I am back to what? The initial balance. So we'll go again next week. The same process, the same method, the same thing repeated over and over. So I'm going to show you guys how everything is being done. Do you understand? If you like this content, if you like this video, please like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, share this video in order to reach out to other traders that are real in this game, that want to see how trading is. Do you understand? And I'm sharing you my wins and my loss. I'm not hiding anything, because I want to also become a very good profitable trader. So let me show you these trades, how they were lost. Let me just show you the outcome. The image, you can see the loss, the same entry, CSD loss. That was for this one. For this one, it was a loss too. You can see that. You can see that it was a loss too, following the same rule and the same everything. It was a loss. So for this one too, you can see that. Sorry, what's wrong? You can see that it was a loss too here. Do you understand? The same method, it was still a loss. So for the last one, second to the last, it was also a loss, following the same rule. Nevertheless, so I wasn't supposed to take this last one being on Friday, but I don't know, I went against my rule, so it turned out to be to be lost again. You can see what I wrote. Error was made. I went against my trade plan by taking three trades a day instead of 2 trades per day. Do you understand? So that is that for this video. I don't want it to be long. I just want to show you that yes, I have started and I'm back on the chart. The next video will be better than this, and we hope for the best. I don't know what might happen next week. I might hit 5 winning streak in a row. I might hit 5 losing streak in a row, whichever I'm willing to accept. Catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, I have a Telegram channel. It's active now. If you want to see all these trades before I take them, join the Telegram channel using the link in the description. I'll see you right there. Peace out.